Here are 8 astonishing signs that the law of attraction is working for you. Hi everyone, Robert Zink, miracle mentor and Alchemy life coach. And today we are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle flying in the direction of your dreams and your goals. We're talking about 8 astonishing signs that the law of attraction is working for you. Now, understand that the law of attraction is always working. Even when you attract stuff you don't like, even when bad things happen, at some level, you have attracted that into your life. That's one of the reasons we focus so much on the subconscious mind, on rewiring the brain and turning your subconscious mind into a miracle machine. I'd like to share with you a free audio MP3 program. It's a hypnotic program, so don't drive while you're listening to this program. And it's not one of these 10-minute programs or 7-minute programs that you can try and there's a whole bunch of advertising with it. No, this is a complete 1-hour program that will help you with your abundance, with your love, with your happiness, with your joy. You're just going to feel good using this program. Go to lawofattractionsolutions.com/miracle mind. That's lawofattractionsolutions.com/miracle mind. Get your free miracle hypnosis audio MP3 right now. I mean, it's a game changer. Okay, 8 astonishing signs. Number 1, you notice an increase in intuition. You just know things. I mean, you just feel things in your body, and you know when things are about to happen. You kind of know what people are going to say, what they're going to do. You have these strong, powerful feelings of intuition. As you begin to attract more of what you desire, as you begin to manifest the life you truly believe you're worthy of receiving, your intuition automatically, it has to grow at the same pace because we use our intuition so much of the time to attract what we truly desire. The second sign, you start seeing the number, there it is, 1111 or 111 all the time. In other words, you're seeing it on license plates. You might see it on a billboard. You might see it on your computer screen. You see it everywhere. 1111 or 111. And what this really means is that a new beginning, a new surge of universal energy is now pouring into your life, into your energy field, and you are beginning to attract more of what you truly desire with the law of attraction. Your affirmations are taking hold. They're really working. Stay with them, okay? Your incantations are working. Your creative visualization is working. Everything is beginning to take root. Now, caveat, one of the things is that just as the law of attraction begins to work for most people, they give up. Okay? They give up. Figure it out. I don't know. They give up. But stay with it. When you see that number 1111 or 111, you know good things are really flowing in your direction. Well, number 3 is you're having these vivid dreams. And I get people writing me about these dreams all the time. And they go, Robert, I had a dream that I won the lottery last night. I had a dream that I found a treasure chest full of gold. I had a dream that my boss gave me an increase in money, in a raise. And so these dreams happen, and they're kind of a foreshadowing of all the good things that are coming into your life. Now, not every dream is a predictive dream, but when you're having dreams of prosperity and abundance and money and love over and over and over again, all I got to say is you are beginning to soar high like a big, beautiful eagle. You are attracting what you truly desire into your life. Number 4 is kind of an interesting one. So listen to this. You feel like you are in contact with something and it is guiding you. You have this inner sense of contact. Now, for some people, it's a deeper connection with source energy. That's how it works with me. For other people, they feel connected to spirit guides. And yet for others, it's angels, and for others it perhaps is saints or departed relatives, or perhaps people that have lived in the past. Now, there is an exercise for invoking their wisdom, but I won't get into that in this particular video. We'll do that another time. But you just feel this contact. You just feel this. I mean, you're talking to your spirit guides or angels or saints or source energy. It's incredible. It's a wonderful feeling. More importantly, this is a strong sign that you are really connecting with source energy. I mean, no matter how it's presenting itself, animal totems, whatever, no matter how it's presenting itself, this is a sign that you are connecting deeper and stronger with source energy. And that's a phenomenal sign to have, because it means that you are receiving more of what you desire. The law of attraction is beginning to work for you in a remarkable, wondrous way. Number 5 is money just begins to flow easier. You find money. Money is all over the place. Money comes to you in your mailbox. Somebody forgives you a debt. Somebody that you loaned money to years ago shows up and pays you. Money just begins to flow easier. And that's a huge sign that the law of attraction is working for you. So high flyers, number 6 is kind of an interesting one. You know, there's a legend about a rainbow, right? And at the end of the rainbow, there's a pot of gold. Well, legends oftentimes spring forth out of experiences that people have, and they have these common experiences. If you are seeing rainbows in the sky, if you are seeing rainbows show up in pictures that you download, in movies that you're watching, this is a huge sign the universe is talking to you via rainbow energy that wonderful things are coming into your life, that the law of attraction really works. In the Old Testament, it's called Quishet. It's called a rainbow of promise. And it's a huge symbol of prosperity and abundance and love and all the good things you desire coming into your life. The law of attraction is beginning to work for you in huge, big ways. Sign number 7 is synchronicity. Things just begin to flow. I mean, all of a sudden, people show up at the right time. Phone calls happen at the right time. This happens to me all the time. I love synchronicity. I call someone up and they go, "Wow, I was just watching you on YouTube. I mean, listen, I got you on right now." That's synchronicity. And when synchronicity begins to happen, it's not by accident. It happens because the universe is speaking to you and telling you something important is happening in your life, that the law of attraction is working for you. And finally, number 8, you just feel this wonderful sense of protection. You know, you feel like you could walk right down the middle of a busy street, Cars would be zooming past you in every direction. Don't do it, by the way. But you feel like you could, and nothing could or will hurt you because you are protected. You have divine protection around you. That's a wonderful feeling. That's an incredible feeling. And the more you feel it, well, the more protected you are, because that's what you're attracting. You're attracting universal protection. Okay, I believe the law of attraction is working for you. If you have 3 of these 8 signs, the law of attraction is working for you, and it's working in a big way. Great, wonderful, incredible things are coming your way. Have a great day now, because you absolutely deserve it. Bye-bye now.